Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making some dessert. We are making banana pudding from scratch. It took me a very long time for me to conquer this recipe, okay? It took me a long time to get the hang of making banana pudding, and I'm going to teach you today. So as you see here, I have 5 cups of whole milk. I am going in with 6 tablespoons of cornstarch and about a cup of sugar. And you just want to whisk your ingredients all together to make sure there's no clumps. You do not want a chunky banana pudding. I mean, unless that's your thing, but you do not want a chunky pudding, okay? Once you get everything whisked together, you want to keep the heat to low to medium heat. This is very important. Low to medium heat. You don't want it too high, it will burn your pudding, and you don't want it too low, otherwise you're going to be standing over the stove for forever, okay? So now you see me adding in 4 egg yolks. Do not add the whole egg. I've made that mistake before, okay? 4 egg yolks. Once your stove is on the low setting, you want to stir almost constantly. Do not walk away for a long period of time. You want to make sure there are no clumps in this pudding. I cannot stress that enough. Stir almost constantly. This may take a while, so pull up a chair, grab your phone, get everything that you need by you so you won't have to walk away. And after a while, you should have something like this. So after your pudding has thickened up, I usually just set mine to the side for about an hour or so until the pudding has cooled off. Now I'm just adding my extracts. I'm adding vanilla and almond extract. You can just use vanilla if you want to. And I'm going to also add some of my buttery cinnamon rolls just to give it a little bit more flavor. And I'm also going in with some nutmeg as well. Now you're just going to layer your cookies and your bananas and pour the pudding on top. And I'm not using Nilla wafers. You can use Nilla wafers if you want to, but I prefer these Chesterman cookies. Once you get everything layered, you can pop it in the refrigerator overnight and you can start digging in, and you should have something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.